everyone, welcome back to Cookie Clicker. This is part 2 of how to make a cookie clicker. Yay! I didn't steal this from a friend. So now, we are going to make some upgrades in the shop area. So first of all, let's make ourselves an upgrade button. So let's grab this so we can see it. Now, what colour should we make this? So let's click the shop. It will be like maybe up in this corner. Do you think that's okay? I think that's okay. Now, it could, I don't know, give you 10 cookies per sec. 10 cookies per sec. I just took it to my Alexa, oof. For like, I don't know. $15 cash. How does that sound, guys? Do you think this is fair or good? Jesus Christ, what is up? Yeah, I think that's good. So, what we want to do is, let's just, when that is clicked, we don't want it. Okay, so we need these two. When flag is clicked, we want it to hide. When backdrop switches to shop, we want it to show. When backdrop switches to home, we want it to, yeah, you might have guessed it, we want it to hide. Wow, so when we press shop, oh, there's an upgrade here. Wow, look at that. Press exit, oh, it's no longer here. Wow, it's there. Press exit, oh, it's no longer there. Press exit, oh. So yeah, we can click. Let's just now start making the code. When flag is clicked, wait until wait, what was the code? Oh, I forgot. Oh yes, when this display is clicked, if so what we want to do is grab something bigger than a number, and we want to set this number to 1 below this, 14. So if it's, we don't want it to be equals, because then it will only work if it is equals to whatever number. Then we'll just grab a cookies click. Actually, I just realised and then put it into the if-then section. Sorry, I wasn't talking for a second. I lost my train of thought. Well, nothing important was lost again. Let's just make a cookies per second. What? I just want to add some capitals to that. Per second. Now, if cookies clicked equals 14, then change cookies per second by. Let's just quickly come here. When flag is clicked, cookies click to 1, and cookies per second is set to 0. You know, just like that. So never click. Blah, blah, blah. Change cookies per second to 0. Is that all we need? And change cookies click by 1. I meant. Now, what we want. Well, we only need to do this script once and never again. This, a forever loop, we want to wait 1 second. Now, what we want is a change cookies clicked by cookies per second. Now, this script is very important. And we also need to wait 1 second or we'll go insanely fast because it's per 1 second. Let's just save that real quick. Nothing will happen if we just click it. Oh, no, my mistake. We need to change cookies per second whenever you buy this to 10. So let's just start the thing. So you just start. Oh, look, 15 cookies, huh? It needs to remove. That's what I forgot. So now, after you do that, you need to change your cookies clicked by the -15 because it cost 15. You get it now? It's just saying, let's view the shop. Oh, I have 15 cash. I could get it. Oh, I lose 15, and now I get 10 every second. That's amazing! Wow. Okay. I'm just going to duplicate that because it makes stuff easier. Now, instead of having 14, we're going to have, I don't know, 49, which means 50. Instead of doing, we'll do 25 per second. You've got to take away your 50. I think you guys can. We do not need this code anymore. It is useless now. It is literally useless. So let's test. Let's quickly save. We want to save after everything because we might lose our progress. Let's buy this. I'm gaining 10 per second. How much did this cost? 50, right? Yep, now I gained 35 per second because it adds on a stack. Forgot to change this sprite. It costs 40. And it gives you 25? Yeah, it gives you 25 a second. So you click shop. Yeah, this is going pretty well if I say so myself. We have the shop. This is a functional cookie clicker. So yeah, what else can we do? This was really down short, wasn't it now? We can do much more. But I'm going to leave it there. I'm tired. I want to have a little lay down. So I will make a new video very shortly, adding more shop features, a start menu, and maybe even a credit menu. So sorry if this was hella short. I might... No. If I did make it, it will be... The next part will be attached to this one. So yeah, enjoy.